Editing vendor profiles. A vendor profile is edited the same way as the internal users and has similar tabs and settings. Click the edit icon to update the user profile form. Edit any personal details, change the user type group, update the user's email address, or reset the user's password. The default roles is the next tab. However, unlike internal users, when a default role is added, the role is only applied when the vendor is added to a tender. Trades is next. If any trades have been configured in the vendor-related items, then vendors can be added directly from this tab. If any vendors have been added to a tender, the tenders will be listed in the Active Projects tab, with historical roles showing in the Final Profile tab. At the top of the user list, there are additional vendor-specific tabs. These different notes are created from the System Variables menu. After they have been created, they can be selected for use. The first is the Flags tab. Select a flag from the drop-down list, add any additional comments, then click the Insert button. The next is the Vendor Activities tab. Any vendor activities that have been added for a vendor in any tender will show in this tab. Finally, the Internal Review tab. Select an internal review from the drop-down list, add any additional comments, then click the Insert button. The final vendor tools in the user list are the same as the internal users: user logs, locking and unlocking user accounts, and deleting users. Showing deleted items, searching and grouping users, can also be done in the same way as with the internal user manager.